Joints. Ankle joint. The ankle joint is synovial in type and involves the talus of the foot and the tibia and fibula of the leg. The ankle joint mainly allows hinge-like dorsiflexion and plantar flexion of the foot on the leg. The distal end of the fibula is firmly anchored to the larger distal end of the tibia by strong ligaments. Together, the fibula and tibia create a deep bracket-shaped socket for the upper expanded part of the body of the talus. The roof of the socket is formed by the inferior surface of the distal end of the tibia. The medial side of the socket is formed by the medial malleolus of the tibia. The longer lateral side of the socket is formed by the lateral malleolus of the fibula. The articular surfaces are covered by hyaline cartilage. The articular part of the talus is shaped like a short half-cylinder tipped onto its flat side with one end facing lateral and the other end facing medial. The curved upper surface of the half-cylinder and the two ends are covered by hyaline cartilage and fit into the bracket-shaped socket formed by the distal ends of the tibia and fibula. When viewed from above, the articular surface of the talus is much wider anteriorly than it is posteriorly. As a result, the bone fits tighter into its socket when the foot is dorsiflexed, and the wider surface of the talus moves into the ankle joint than when the foot is plantarflexed and the narrower part of the talus is in the joint. The joint is therefore most stable when the foot is dorsiflexed. The articular cavity is enclosed by a synovial membrane, which attaches around the margins of the articular surfaces, and by a fibrous membrane, which covers the synovial membrane and is also attached to the adjacent bones.